Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Before you attempt the Kraken Ink King Legacy, meet prerequisites and prepare carefully. Reach at least level 30 and equip a depth-resistant suit to avoid pressure damage during the descent. Collect 5 ink shards from sunken chests across 3 underwater zones. These shards activate the Kraken altar. Stock 10,000 gold and carry 3 healing elixirs and 1 stun grenade to manage adds. Assign a teammate to watch the rear when solo attempts are allowed. Conserve oxygen by using the diving pumps at surface hubs. Locate the deep basin by following the coastal beacons on your map. The tidal window opens at night for a reliable summon. Reach the basin and place the 5 ink shards into the Kraken altar. This triggers a 3-stage ritual and summons the Kraken King. Use the diving pumps at surface hubs to replenish oxygen between stages and avoid slow ascent penalties. Keep formation. 1 player distracts tentacles while others target armor plates. Then converge on the exposed ink core during the 2nd stage. Defeat the Kraken King by focusing fire on the exposed ink core during stage 2 and interrupting its regeneration cycle. Once the boss falls, return to the Kraken altar and perform the legacy ritual by depositing 10,000 gold and a single essence vial. This binds the legacy to your account. The ritual grants the Kraken Ink King Legacy item, a unique cosmetic skin, 500 XP, and 3 rare crafting components for upgrades. After binding, the legacy can be transferred once using a legacy token or kept permanently on this character.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.